Ross, Vonda V Court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of the Tommy.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Mr. Tommy, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, for one, we should have been here a long time ago, but someone keeps delaying.
Really?
Anyway,
Really?
Yes, really. You want to start this here? Okay, we could have started this a long time ago.
You need to
okay?
stop, okay?
Mr. Tommy and ma'am, really? I mean, the last time I checked, I was the judge. I was asking the questions. I should be the only person in here with a neck roll and an attitude.
I'm sorry,
Don't be sorry, just don't do it again. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, do you understand?
Yes.
I understand that tensions are high. Anytime you're talking about children and money, tensions are going to be high. But you all need to try at least to keep it together. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now, continue, sir.
Okay, well, she gave me money. I don't know the exact amount, but I know it was once. And
One time?
Yes. It's
For
not
how many kids?
2.
Okay.
And they're in my care right now, and I go full-time to a film school. It's a great film school, but it's very expensive. And I am a trust fund baby. That I realize that.
And there's nothing wrong with that.
Thank you. But it's running out, and I am scared that I can't afford some of the things that they may need because they're talking about wanting to go into the same thing that I'm doing. And that scares me, for one, because it's very expensive.
Are you paying for school out of that trust too?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to her?
Not that you would like.
Okay, well, please, thank you for saving me from that. This case has been pending for a long time. 6 months is a long time. And he says that you keep on delaying it. So I need to know.
Welcome to today's courtroom drama, where emotions run high and the truth cuts deep. Mr. Tummy and Vonda are locked in a bitter battle over custody and child support, but this isn't your average dispute. We've got serious accusations, emotional outbursts, and even a bizarre shooting incident that throws the whole case into chaos. This isn't just about money. It's about broken trust, family tension, and lives spiraling under legal pressure. Will justice rise through the madness, or will the drama derail it all? Stay tuned, because this case is about to explode.
Oh, what is the reason for the delay?
Your Honor, the delay is because he don't even need to have the kids. The only reason why he got the kids anyway was because his mama and daddy in that damn trust fund. Okay, and then on top of that, he put a case on me.
Are you mad that you don't have a trust fund?
No, I'm not mad that I don't have a trust fund. I got my pension and my retirement, but the problem
so you
is
have a
he's
pension?
spoiled.
Please keep talking.
He's
you have
spoiled.
A pension,
He's spoiled.
and you have
He
a
needs to get-
retirement. Okay, but the children live with him, and it sounds like you're big mad. Because
No,
he
I'm not
has
mad.
this trust.
I'm not mad behind that. Okay.
What are you upset about?
I'm
exactly?
upset because he pulled the wool over my eyes, okay?
Okay.
When we first hooked up, all right, I told him what it was that I wanted to be a cop. I always wanted to be a cop, right?
All right.
So he pulls a trick and then ends up getting me pregnant.
What does pull a trick mean?
He poked holes in the condom.
Oh, okay. Well,
And now I got twins. I had the kids originally, but because him and his family got money and he got that stupid trust, guess what? He went and lied. Now he got custody. So it's been taking so long because we've been back and forth out of custody court. And then not to mention he put a case on me because I shot him in his ass. He's an asshole. That's why I shot him.
Oh
No,
my
you
gosh.
shot me in the
Well,
leg,
you
and
know
it
what?
hurt, and the medical bills
It
are
was
still
your
piling
ass.
up.
Stop.
Thank you very
stop.
much. Okay.
Stop.
you know
Stop.
what?
Stop.
Both of
Stop.
you, both of you, stop. Both of you stop, because this is a lot. I hope you guys do not do this in front of your children. This is absolutely ridiculous. I understand that you're upset, ma'am, but the first thing you're gonna do is learn how to speak without cursing, okay? That's the first thing you're gonna learn how to do. Because trust me, it's a whole lot of stuff that I wanna say up here, but I don't say it. So you're gonna learn how to—
Now that was an entrance. The moment Miss Vonda walked in, the tension hit the roof. She's coming in hot, accusing Mr. Tummy of manipulating her into parenthood and then using his family's money to snatch custody. But here's the twist. Both sides are full of contradictions, and the drama is just getting started. What looks like a clear-cut case might actually be a tangled mess of emotions, money, and mistrust. So buckle up, because this battle's about to blow. Who do you think is really in control here?
behave.
I
and
don't
stop
question
shooting
criminal
people.
activity.
Just because you have a gun does not give you the right to go around shooting people. Okay? Whether it's in his behind or it was in his leg, you should not be going around shooting people.
His behind.
Okay?
Thank you.
Okay, well, either way, all I need to know about is the money. And you said you did a whole lot of talking. You talked about you being a cop. You said pension. You said retiring. That is music to my ears dealing with child support, okay? So
Why?
what I need to know, okay, thanks. Hold on. What I need to know, he said you gave him money one time. Is that true?
No,
It's a yes or a no.
No, that's not true.
So how much money have you given him total?
About $3,000.
About $3,000. Whether it happened one time or not, all I need is the amount. How much money do you make a year?
$57,000.
$57,000. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Who covers health insurance for the children?
I do.
Okay, how much is health insurance?
It's $68.
$68. Okay. You're about $5 off. I have 63.
Well, 60.
check. You gotta
Okay,
check
it's
with her.
63.
Okay,
telling you.
63. $63, okay? $5, it doesn't make a big difference. Excuse me. I'm not gonna ask you again to stop talking to each other. I'm not gonna do it. You do not apologize.
And just like that, boom, the gloves are off. This isn't just a custody battle anymore. It's a full-blown meltdown. Accusations of sabotaged condoms, gunshots, and violence in front of the kids? That's not just messy. It's dangerous. The judge steps in, no nonsense, calling both of them out for their reckless behavior. But here's the deeper issue: the emotional tug-of-war over the children. This isn't about parenting, it's about control. And the ones who suffer most? The kids. So let's ask the real question. Would you go this far to keep your children? Or is this just toxic parenting masked as love?
Me again. I just need you to sit over there and be quiet and let me calculate these numbers, okay? And sir, I'm going to need you to just leave her alone, okay? I do not need her to shoot you in this courtroom, okay? So, based on that $57,000 a year, we're going to, your gross is $4,700, that's correct. Giving you credit for the $63 that you pay in health insurance, that brings your net to $3,864.83, okay? Child support, $966.21.
A month?
Yeah. What do you want it to be? You want me to make it a week? I mean, I wish I had the authority to do that, but
Your
I
Honor,
don't.
I put my life on the line every day,
And you know
I
what?
gotta
And
pay
I-
for this bum. Like, my kid's supposed to be with me
And-
anyway.
Are you
Guess
kidding
what?
me right now?
Excuse me, Mr.
He
Tommy.
not
I
gonna
can
use that
handle
for the
this.
kids.
Listen here. I applaud you for going out and putting your life on the line every single day. But just like a lot of people out here, they put their lives on the line too when you are raising children. You have to worry about their safety. You have to worry about their welfare when they're no longer in your possession. So it's a lot of people out here have other people depending on them, okay?
I understand.
So if you understand, well, let me go ahead and help you understand a little bit further what else you have to do, because I haven't finished yet. $966.21 is your monthly obligation. However, this case has been delayed a lot because of you. So I'm going to make your child support amount retroactive for the past 6 months. So giving you credit for that $3,000 that you testified to, and he said that you've given him some money. You said it was $3,000. I'm going to take your word for it, okay? Giving you credit for that $3,000, your retroactive child support or back pay, whichever one you want to call it, comes down to $2,448 that you owe in back pay, and I'm going to make that payable at $55 a month. All right? So payable at $55 a month, added to your child support obligation, your monthly obligation is $1,021.21. I don't need you looking confused or anything like that, because you have a pension and you have a retirement. I need you to pinch from it and keep living. That's
I'm
all I
not
need
even
you to do.
invested. So
Well, you know what?
Invested in your kids?
I'm not, listen, it ain't about
hear
my
that?
kids
You
now.
know what,
hear
Mr.
that?
Tommy,
need
do
to
you
stop.
have anything further?
No, you've been more than helpful. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Hold up, did you catch that? The judge just hit Mr. Tummy with $960, $6 a month plus back pay. That's a serious bill. And yet, he's acting like he's the victim here, saying his job as a cop puts his life on the line every day. Respectfully so, do a lot of jobs and parenting? That's 24/7, no badge, no backup. But it doesn't stop there. Vonda's not off the hook either. The judge wants both parents to contribute. So now it's a financial tug-of-war, and the real question is, who's doing this for the kids, and who's just trying to win the fight?
Here.
Ma'am, is there anything else that I could help you with here today?
I just want to make sure my kids get the money. I don't want to pay for his education.
Well, you know what?
He sucks.
You said it. Well, you know what? He ain't sucked that bad when y'all was in the bed. So,
The condom
go
was
ahead. Well, you know what? That has nothing to do with me.
And just like that, it's a wrap. The judge kept it cool through all the chaos and laid down the law. Mr. Tummy pays /$1, $0.21 a month plus back pay. Vonda didn't get everything she wanted, but at least there's a plan in place now. After all the drama, the message is clear. This isn't about winning or losing. It's about showing up for your kids. What do you think? Was the judge fair? Or should one of them be paying more? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more wild courtroom showdowns.
That has nothing to do with anything now because the children are here. They live with him. You're going to be responsible for taking care of them financially. Anything else from you?
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. You all are dismissed.
Shouldn't have delayed.
Well, folks, there you have it. A courtroom roller coaster packed with twists, tension, and truth bombs. Child support? Decided. Retroactive payments? Locked in. Responsibility? Now crystal clear. The Tummy versus Vonda saga might not be over in real life, but in that courtroom, justice definitely showed up. Think the judge got it right? Sound off in the comments, hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe, because we've got even more explosive courtroom drama coming your way.